Hello everybody, this is Jacqueline Price back with another quick video. Jacqueline Price back with another quick video. I appreciate you for stopping through. Please go ahead and like, share the video, comment down below, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make images, I make thumbnail. Some of them I buy, some of them I have fun and I try to make some. So we're going to try one today on video. We'll see how this goes. So I'm on Canva, Canva. It's a free where you can create. You can create on Canva, Canva. So what I'm going to do is I found the image. I'm going to see if I can get it here. Okay, let's try uploads, upload media. So what I'm going to do is I uploaded an image on my computer a few minutes ago. I'm going to see if I can use that image in this particular thumbnail. Okay. So I uploaded it and then I uploaded it to my computer first and then I just uploaded it to Canva. So we're going to start with this image and I'm going to make it bigger. So this is like a fun way to create images with Canva. I'm going to move this up like this. And then I'm going to add some text. Excuse me, guys. So sorry. Some text. Heading. And so what I'm doing is then you just make it what you want it to be. So that's a really dark. Let's see if you want to change the text here to different. You may want it to be this. And then you can change the color. Make it bright or whatever. That's too bright. A green. Or we can go with a totally different color like that. We can make it the text bigger with the font. And then move this up just a little bit. And then this one I'm going to move the font down just a little bit. See what this looks like so I can get it all in there. Oops. And I'm going to try to make it wider. Let's see, let me make it a little bit smaller here. It's 80. I think it still needs to be just a little bit smaller. 72 may do it. Okay, that's going to be it. Okay. So now, and then we can go with, oh, it's still hanging off a little bit. Okay, let's see. Oops. So this, guys, you just have fun with it, play around with it. It's free. And then when you get better and better, you can pay for it and upgrade. But right now, I'm just using it free, and it has a mind, oops, of its own. Okay, so here we go here. See if I can get it moved up some. This is like when you're creating, this is as real as it gets, because this is something that you just have to play around with until you get it to look like you want. I'm hoping that the video won't take too much of your time. Just trying to get this moved up here. Okay, let me move this one up just a little bit more. Okay, so now let's go over here and we can change, let's see if we can find the background. Tried that one. I used that earlier. It looks pretty decent. So this is something just simple that we're, doing. And for the demonstration of this video, um, I'm going to stick with that. And so what I normally do, you can save it to your computer or whatever, but since I'm only going to be using it one time, I'm just going to use this tool right here, and I'm going to save it to my computer. And this is what I do right here. So I save it, snip it. Oops, messed that one up. Let's just try again. And here we go. It's got some lines in it. It's not per, I think I messed it up again. Let's see if, well, wait a minute. And then there you have a thumbnail that you can use for your video. Okay, now see, it's messing up. What's going on? Okay, here we go here. Okay, now here we go. And then I'll just save this to my computer and then save it as such. And then you put it wherever you want it to be. And I'm just going to say 700K. Oops. Just like that. And there we have it, guys. That's it. That's how you create a thumbnail on Canva. The more you do it, the better you'll get.